What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to replace pull start. As you can see, this pull start is just completely broken. Doesn't pull far enough. This is supposed to be all the way against here. There's just not enough rope to pull the mower over anymore. I'm not sure what happened. I tried to take it apart and fix it, but it's just not happening. So I have bought a brand new one for like $13 off of Amazon. Let's take a look at it. See, pretty nice one. It's the same exact thing, it just doesn't have a sticker branding. It's pretty sturdy. Let's get right into changing it. All you'll need is some way of pulling it off. I'm going to use a drill and then a 10mm socket. There's 3 bolts to take this thing off. One here, one here, one here. I'm just going to get a rope to take these off. As you can see, this one's pretty worn down from a lot of use. Well, let's toss this one to the side. Now, to install this, what I would do is, since this one doesn't have that little metal thing to stop it, I would go and attach it right up here, like put the rope in here where it's supposed to be, and then drag it down and stick it on so that when you pull it, you got enough rope to turn it over. To take this one off, you're going to need an 11mm socket. Then when you get to about where it should go, what I would do is I'd flip it over and flip that around so that these prongs are in, which it will just sort of flip on. I would then put the 3 bolts back on. Let's give it a test. See if it actually goes over more than it did. watching. That is how you change your pull start assembly. Let me know if there's any tutorials you guys want me to make, and thank you guys for watching. And FYI, why I didn't start this is because this mower does not run yet. I just needed to replace the pull start before I did anything. So that's why I didn't start it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.